If you've been feeling fearful, anxious, tired, or emotionally vulnerable, this video is for you. A lot of people don't realize this that the vagus nerve plays an important role in how joyful, peaceful, calm, energetic, and connected you feel. And the best part, you can actually simulate the vagus nerve through simple, easy, effective, and effortless practices. No complicated tools, no complicated resources, just these simple practices, when done religiously every day, can make the difference. In this video, I'm going to share the top three go to ways to activate your vagus nerve that I have been trying all these years, and I have been teaching in my in person sessions to different people, which has made a huge difference, and it will help you feel grounded, happy, and yourself again. If this kind of video connects with you and this content is something which you relate to, then hit to the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, because I share these videos every week which can create a lot of difference in your lives. So stay tuned and let's get started. So first let us understand, why do we need to regulate the ventral vagus nerve? So in my video where I decoded the polyvagal theory, there I'll just brief it that polyvagal theory is the main basis and the foundation of why do we need to really regulate our ventral vagus nerve. Why do you feel anxious, fearful, and tired when you have tried everything, almost everything, and why those things are not really working? Why do you feel unsafe when you are in a safe environment? Why do you feel unhappy when everything else in your life is going just all right, in place, top notch? So what happens is what happens is that our system in our system, the autonomic nervous system, regulates on how do we feel when a threat or a danger has been imposed, and how do we feel when that threat and danger has passed away. So when we are faced with any danger or threat, there are three modes. In any of these three modes, we can be operating. It could be fight mode, it could be flight mode, or it could be a freeze mode. Fight or flight mode are being regulated and are being uh, regulated by the sympathetic nervous system. The freeze mode by the dorsal vagus nerve, it is being regulated. So what is fight or flight mode? जब भी कोई danger आया, either you will run away or you will fight it. Freeze it when you know that you can neither fight it, neither you can run away from it. You freeze, just like how mice does when they are being faced by a cat. If they cannot do really, they can't even run or they can't even fight it. Then the fourth state is the normal social engagement state, which is being regulated by the ventral vagus nerve. This ventral vagus nerve, when activated and when is working, that is when you feel safe, when you do all the other activities, when you are not in faced by danger. So when the danger passes away, you should be able to switch to the वेंट्रल वेगस और द सोशल एंगेजमेंट मोड. अभी सोशल एंगेजमेंट मोड क्या होता है? That mode, when you are connecting with people, bonding with people, you're doing your assignments, your projects, your deadlines, you cuddle, you meet people, you're happy, joyful, you cook, you pursue your hobbies. Every single thing that you do when you are in your everyday life, what you're doing right now, is also when you're not faced in danger. So right now you're watching, you're learning. Learning is also a part of uh, ventral vagus nerve doing its work. So this brings me to, why do we need to regulate it? So that we can switch from fight, flight, freeze mode to the social engagement mode. The problem happens when हम डेंजर में जब हैं तब तो हमारा फाइट फ्लाइट फ्रीज मोड एक्टिवेट होगा ही, बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ आवर बॉडीज आर बीइंग क्रिएटेड बायोलॉजिकली. बट द कैच इज कि जब डेंजर चला गया वी नीड टू स्विच बैक टू आवर नॉर्मल मोड विच इज द सोशल एंगेजमेंट मोड. जब वो नहीं होता है, दैट इज व्हेन वी स्टार्ट, वी आर मोर इनटू anger, aggression, we go depressed, there's a shutdown, socially inactive. To have an in-depth knowledge, it's better you go back to my polyvagal theory decoded uh, video, which I have posted before this video. You will be able to understand more. So coming back to my top 3 ways on how to simulate and regulate our ventral vagus nerve. So first way is longer exhales. So what you should be, anything, any activity, any breathing practice, I'm sorry, any breathing practice which involves longer exhalation, or any practice which involves longer exhalation than inhalation, will help you simulate your vagus nerve. That simulates the vagus nerve. Now, what are the examples of it? Straw breathing, Brahmari pranayam, gargling, chanting, then Nadi Shodhan pranayam. All these pranayams, breathing practices, all these activities, there are a lot of other practices. Box breathing, count breathing, where exhalations are longer than inhalations. These all help in simulating the vagus nerve. If you do these practices 5 minutes every day, religiously with your eyes closed, just giving 5 minutes every day, you will feel instant difference after doing them. Better if you have better if you do this in the morning or any time. If you're feeling too anxious at any particular time or instant, or some event has happened, do this, do for 5 minutes, do a brahmari or do straw breathing. It helps big time. The second way is meditation. Meditation is the best and the most effortless way to simulate your vagus nerve, to feel calm, relaxed, and to get on to the challenges that have been coming on to you. And if you've been a person who have been meditating, couple it with breathing practices or pranayams and then followed by a meditation. This helps big time. The third way is Yog Nidra. Yog Nidra can be done as your afternoon, before your afternoon nap, or maybe in place of the afternoon nap. You can do a 20 minutes Yog Nidra. It is available. You can have the guided Yog Nidra available on YouTube. And also, if you have not been meditating, if you are not a meditation practitioner, I suggest and I recommend that you do guided meditations. It will help you to detox and to de-stress very effortlessly. Do guided meditations by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar helps big time. They are very effortless, easy to do. Even if you do for 10 minutes or 12 minutes every day, it works. But the best time is 20 minutes every day. YouTube, on YouTube, search for guided practices by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. You'll find tons and tons of meditative practices. So these are the top 3 ways, simple, really simple ways which you can do every single day. The pranayams and breathing practices you can do n number of times throughout the day. Whenever you feel anxious, these can be your go-to practices to do every single day, so that you can simulate your vagus nerve, so that you live the life you have been dreaming of, joyful, connected, feeling yourself. Just one thing, remember, do this every single day. If not all the 3 of them, do at least 2. Do breathing practices and pranayams followed by a meditation. This is the best combination that you can do every day. Do this for next 20 days, 21 days, and then comment in the comment section below and let me know how it has been helping you. Your sleep will improve, uh, your what do we say, resilience to handle stress, to handle situations which are stressful to you, which you have been very emotionally vulnerable to, will become very easily and effortlessly for you. So try these three things, do it for 21 days, and comment in the comment box below on how this has changed for you. I'll read it and I'll get back with my comment on how it has been helping you, right? So, what are your next steps? What are your next steps? So, your next step is to join my join my Telegram channel, the link of which is below. Join the group. I share small bits on which are value packed, which you can do certain go to things, certain video links, practices which you can do that very single day. It is a this channel I have created really to handhold a little, to help you live a anxious free and a fearless life. So thank you so much for staying tuned and watching this video. If you feel connected and if you feel that this video has really con- uh, resonated with you, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.